Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Dia Vlogs. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm gonna unbox the amazing Google Cloud Arcade swag box. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. First of all, can we take a moment to appreciate the packaging? It came entirely free, no delivery charges, nothing, and still they did such a neat job. Everything was safely packed and honestly I was impressed. Okay, so first, wow, this bag is absolutely awesome. It's super cute. Let me tell you, this is the Arcade Champions bag. It's not just stylish, it's actually super useful too. It's made up of like durable and high quality materials. Like you can totally carry this every day. This inside is spacious with multiple compartments, so everything stays organized. And look at this, the shoulder straps are padded and the back panel is breathable. So even if you carry it for long, it's comfort. And it has a subtle Google Cloud branding, classy and professional. Also, all the zips working perfectly. No damage, no complaints. 10/10 on quality. Next up, they have added this arcade laptop sleeve with a small pouch like this. Let me tell you, this is not a regular sleeve. It has a scratch resistant, waterproof leather-like exterior, so your laptop is safe. And it has a magnetic stand that props your laptop while working. Plus they gave extra goodies like mouse cover, and the flap works as a mouse pad too, which is amazing. And then the quality is top notch, can't wait to use it. Now coming to my personal favorite, the arcade hoodie. I have been waiting for this. It's so warm, so cozy. It's made from soft cotton with a French terry lining. It actually feels luxurious. I picked a size larger cause I love wearing hoodies oversized and this fits exactly how I want it. The grey color is just classic and the zip and stitching, solid stuff, feels like it will last long. Now let's see what's next. Oh okay, this is the Arcade 18-1 gadget cleaner. Very useful if you're a techie like me. It's got a high density brush, swabs, screen nozzle, all compact. It works for your laptop, phone, tablet, you name it. It's gentle but gets the job done and you can carry it anywhere. Now this is fun, the arcade color pen set. It has 4 colors, blue, green, yellow, red. They ride so smooth and honestly the colors pops well for notes. It comes in premium. Arcade branded box, really aesthetic. So yeah, make note taking more fun and colorful. Next we have the self-stirring mug. Yep, you heard it right. This is actually smart. It stirs your drink with one press, perfect for coffee lovers. It even shows the temperature, comes with the charging cable and looks super sleek. Cleaning easy because the stirrer detaches. And imagine a long work day and you don't have to stir. This just does it for you. And finally, the cutest thing ever, the emoji alarm clock. This one definitely stole my heart. Voice control, a night light, snooze mode, and is USB rechargeable. So it's like, what more do you need? So fun yet practical. It actually makes me more productive. So yeah guys, that was my full unboxing and demo of all the awesome stuff Google Cloud sent me via the arcade program. And if you want to receive such cool swags for free while also learning Google Cloud for free, you can participate too. It's open for every month and anyone can join, be it college students, working professional, no restrictions at all. If you're interested and want a full guide on how to register and participate, just drop a comment below. I'd be happy to make a video for you. If you found this helpful, do give your support to this channel, and for everyone who's been watching and supporting me till now, thank you so much. That's it for today. Keep going and keep growing.